Welcome to the St. Regis. This hotel has plenty of elegance and style.
Good morning, Kunyan. How are you today?
The hotel has its own BTS skywalk and is located right next to Central World Shopping Mall. Also located on this floor, you have a nice quiet reading space on the right, and on the left you have this lovely little coffee shop. Let's now head into the check-in area on the 12th floor.
Butler 24-hour service.
Oh, okay. We can use a butler service 24 hours to do things like unpacking, packing, making tea and coffee facilities and more.
May I have your passport, please? Thank you so much. How are you today, ka? So as I see you
This is Kylie, very friendly service.
total 3 nights. Okay, ka. I return your passport back. May I have your signature here, please?
Here is a look at the benefits Platinum and Titanium members get. Feel free to pause the video. You also get $100 property credit which you can use on food and beverage if you hold a Marriott Bonvoy credit card. I know this is minor, but I like how when you press the button for the lift, a light pops up indicating which lift you'll be using. That's quite cool. We'll come back and do the room tour later as I'm hungry, so I wanted to go down and grab some dinner. This is James, the restaurant supervisor, and he's very friendly and helpful. As usual, I contacted the hotel in advance to let them know that I'm vegan and what I want for breakfast. The meal was a good portion size and tasty. This is also the same restaurant you'll eat breakfast each morning, and here's a couple of shots for you to look at. Next to the restaurant is the drawing room, which is a nice quiet space for you to relax, read a book and have afternoon tea. On one side of the bar is the drawing room and on the other is the St. Regis bar. As you enter from the side of the restaurant, the bar is on your right with plenty of bar stools to sit on, and on your left there are plenty of seats all across windows. There is also an outdoor terrace and smoking area, giving beautiful sunset views, and a champagne ceremony held every day at 6 p.m.
About the serving ritual. This ritual will follow daytime and welcome to the nighttime. The sabrage was originated from the Napoleon's War. The soldier, while riding on a horseback, it was difficult to open the foil, the gate, and took the cock out with his sword, all while managing to ride on the horse at the same time. So, one day, a young officer, David took with his sword and beheaded a bottle with a stroke. Ever since a new tradition was born, which would become an art, the art of sabrage. Alright, you ready? Yeah. Please go together. 3, 2, 1. Please enjoy, ka.
I enjoyed a glass of the champagne and then went inside to have my Titanium Elite gift, which is 2 evening cocktails. The bar comes alive in the evenings, especially on Wednesdays to Saturdays, as they play live music and has a great atmosphere. The evening cocktails for elite guests consists of a selection of beers, wines, spirits and cocktails. The cocktails are aptly named as Platinum, Titanium and Ambassador. It is a matter of your status, you can choose any, but I recommend the Platinum. I was there for 3 nights, and the first night for canapes they served a chicken wrap, the second night a cheese and mushroom wrap, and the third night a salmon wrap. Of course they made some vegan canapes for myself. Disappointingly, these were the same all 3 nights, and these were vegetarian spring rolls, but the drinks were good and the atmosphere was good. Something I forgot to mention earlier is that also when you order drinks you'll get bar snacks. They will change from time to time, but at the moment I received banana chips, which were really nice, taro sticks, which were thin and crispy, and peanuts. After an enjoyable and late night at the bar, I thought the next morning I better give you a room tour. The St. Regis also has its own signature fragrance which they spray in the corridors, so when you come out of your room or the lift, it smells really nice. Welcome to my room. This is the King room on the 18th floor, overlooking the golf course and swimming pool. As I enter, immediately to the right is one of 2 doors to my bathroom. In this bathroom I had a large shower cubicle and what looks to be a separate standalone bathtub and 2 sinks. There were also plenty of amenities such as a dental kit, which was a toothbrush and toothpaste, a comb, cotton buds, a shaving kit, body lotion and more. There were also 2 plugs in this drawer and a hairdryer, which will come in handy for me later. In this larger shower cubicle you had a rain shower and also a separate handheld shower and the usual high quality amenities, which were shampoo, conditioner and body wash, which smelt really nice. If you're wondering where the toilet is, it's hidden behind this door in its own separate cubicle. I always like it when it's in its own cubicle. Going back out of the bathroom from where we came was the first of 2 cupboards, which had some hangers, and then you have a luggage bench, and then you have a separate cupboard, which is where you'll find your safe, slippers, bathrobe and more. Here's a look at the room. It's a very good sized room with floor to ceiling windows, and my favourite feature of the room is opening up the second door to the bathroom, which makes the room look even bigger. Opposite the bed is your TV, and here's a quick look at the TV channels available. Under the TV is your minibar, which of course are chargeable as extras. Above your minibar is your tea and coffee facilities, and I have to say, the St. Regis has the best tea selection I've seen in any hotel. Don't forget you can also use your butler service to make your tea or coffee 24 hours a day. Now for many of you, you'll be able to do that yourself, but obviously for people like me who's 99% blind, it's a very handy service. I also received a welcome gift. Disappointingly on the bedsides I didn't find any universal power outlets, but I did have a nice view of the golf course. Here's my butlers for the last 2 nights.
To introduce myself first, my name is Tan, your butler. And allow me to take a look at the AC for you, Kun Yao. If you need any further assistance, make sure to contact us for 24 hours.
Thank you.
Good evening, welcome to the St. Regis Bangkok. I am your butler, my name is Pam. It would be my pleasure to assist you everything, just please tell me. Thank you so much, Pam.
That's sweet. Now let's look at breakfast, which is the most important meal of the day, so they say. Good morning.
Yes, may I have the room number, please?
It's 1827.
1827? Yes, I see.
Thank
I
you.
prepared a table already.
Ah, thank you so much. Oh, okay, thank you. On the first morning, Chef Somsak here came and sat with me to confirm exactly what I'd ordered for breakfast. Very impressed. After Chef Somsak left, Kun New here, or Chef New, came over and took my drinks order. He made me the best oat milk latte I've had, and also a fresh smoothie. This is Kun Dao, the assistant manager to the restaurant, and she kept checking up on me to make sure everything was okay. She was very friendly and very nice. You can see just how caring these morning chefs were. They were so kind and very thoughtful and brought my dishes out one after the other. So for breakfast I had a dal with some rice. As usual I had my sliced avocado and toast. This time I managed to get a dessert, which was vegan waffles with some fruit, which was very nice, and my usual delicious coconut.
I'm back.
The buffet breakfast selection is extensive, and let me show you what's on offer. I have to say that this was probably the best breakfast I've had in Thailand and comes pretty close to the breakfast I had in Dubai. If you have any dietary requirements or want anything specific, I recommend that you speak to the hotel beforehand or as soon as you check in so that they have time to prepare and let you know what they can and can't do based on ingredients and so forth. For example, I got vegan waffles, which is something I wouldn't have otherwise got. Something you won't see in all the hotels is a fresh juice bar, and you can ask them to make you a specific juice to your taste, or you can have one of the pre-made drinks already in the bottles. Either way, they're absolutely delicious and they're fresh. Let's now check out the swimming pool and fitness area, which is located on the 15th floor. The first thing you'll see when you exit the lift is this bar. It's quite early, so there's not much going on. As you enter the gym, you'll see this Muay Thai boxing ring, and there's plenty of equipment, both cardio and weights, to keep you fit during your stay. There's a really nice view if you are using the treadmills. Outside there are plenty of sunbeds to choose from, and what I like here is that there is a huge shaded area, so whether it's raining or very hot you can still relax outside, and there are also sunbeds in the sun. The swimming pool is excellent. It's very straight, which means you can do lengths, and looks very nice. Inside there is also a shop if you need to buy anything. And that brings us to the end of the review, which I hope you liked. Please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more videos.